Can corporate governance influence shareholder rights? In today's fast-paced business world, the question of whether corporate governance can influence shareholder rights is more relevant than ever. With recent headlines focusing on corporate accountability and transparency, many are searching for clarity on this important issue. Understanding how corporate governance impacts shareholder rights can help investors make informed decisions. Corporate governance directly affects shareholder rights by establishing the rules and practices that guide how a corporation is directed and controlled. It shapes the framework within which shareholders exercise their rights and influence corporate decisions. One key aspect is defining shareholder relationships and rights. Instruments like Unanimous Shareholder Agreements legally regulate the relationship among shareholders. These agreements specify their rights and obligations, controlling share transfers. This creates a clear governance framework that aligns with shareholders' collective interests and protects their rights in decision-making and dispute resolution. Another important factor is board composition and oversight. The presence of independent directors on boards is a critical governance practice. Independent directors provide unbiased oversight, reduce conflicts of interest, and ensure management accountability. Their role supports transparency and ethical conduct, which enhances shareholder confidence and safeguards shareholder interests. Corporate policies and codes of conduct also play a significant role. Boards adopt codes of conduct and governance standards that promote ethical behavior and open dialogue between shareholders and management. This approach ensures shareholders have opportunities to express views and influence corporate strategy, impacting their rights to information and participation. Legal and regulatory frameworks are evolving as well. Recent legislative developments, such as those codifying the business judgment rule and providing frameworks for shareholder actions, shape how corporate governance protects shareholder rights. These laws clarify shareholders' ability to challenge management decisions and influence corporate affairs, particularly in publicly traded companies. Overall, corporate governance structures and practices establish the environment in which shareholder rights are defined, exercised, and protected. Effective governance promotes transparency, accountability, and equitable treatment of shareholders, thereby influencing their rights in meaningful ways. As the conversation around corporate governance continues to grow, it is essential for shareholders to stay informed and engaged.